Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to show you how to start working with the view imports. Now, let's begin. First, we talked about the tag helper and how we can add the tag helper, something like the MVC tag helpers or the ASP tag helpers, to add more functionalities to our HTML codes, something like this, from here up to this one. And also, we talked about how to use the tag helpers to navigate between the different pages and the views. But if I take a look, currently I have the add tag helper over here in the index view. Then I have the same code in the razor, or in my code over here in the about, the same code, and also the customers, the same code. If I want to add the ASP code or navigate between this and all the web pages. But repeating the same code all over my views is not really great idea. Firstly, we talked about how to use the view start to put my layout inside it to prevent duplication of this code. In addition, we have a similar matter, but for adding the imports or for adding the references and also the directives. This is a kind of import, or we call it the directive or the reference to all that matters. So to prevent duplication of this, we can start adding another file, and it is the view imports. It's really simple. Just get inside the views, right click on it, add, and the new item. Then get inside the ASP.NET Core, the web, and here I have the razor view imports. Previously we talked about the razor view start, the import. And let's leave this name by default and add it. After a couple of seconds, my view imports is added over here, but it is completely empty. The only thing to share this part of the code, we call it the reference or directive, is just cut it from the page or the view and paste it over here. Then this line of the code will be available for all of the views inside the views folder. So I put the view imports in the root of the views folder. It means the codes inside the view imports is available for all of these folders and the subfolders. This is a really tricky note. Now let's get inside my views, the home, then the about, and the index. So this is the index, and I can easily delete this line of the code because we don't need to do this anymore. And also the customers, that is empty, then the about. So let's save everything. And also it's a really great idea to build or rebuild the project. After a couple of seconds, everything will be built automatically. So it's done without any problem. You can see it over here. And in the next step, I can start working with the tags easily and quickly inside all of these views. For instance, this is the index. I can get inside it and add the new anchor tag or the tag A, like the test, for instance. And if I click over here and write the ASP, as you see, the ASP is available over here for the tag A. It means that everything is done successfully. And also we can add the tag A to another one. For instance, I can add it to the customers, and here I have the tag A. Let's add it like the test, exactly like that, and the ASP. This is the ASP action area controller up to the end. So it is available over here also. And also we can use it in the layout. So I can get inside the shared, then the my layout. Currently the my layout is my main layout. If I take a look inside the view start, you can see it is the my layout. So the my layout is available for all of these folders and the views and the files. So let's get started working with the my layout, and this is the my layout. As you see, I have the header over here at the top, and also I have the footer over here. I can easily add the simple tag over here. For instance, I can add the tag A and name it customers. So this is the customers, and I can start working with the ASP. Then the area is nothing. As I mentioned, it is a kind of grouping. Then add the controller, ASP controller, and the controller is the home. So the home, previously talked about this matter, and also the action. This is the ASP, the action. Which action? I want to get inside the customers. So if I take a look inside the controllers and the home, then I have the customers. I need to use exactly this name. So let's get inside this and ASP action, the customers. Now let's save everything. And if I run, I can see the amazing and great result. You know what? After adding the tag helper inside the file, indeed the view imports file, I don't need to repeat this in the available views over here. So we can start working with it without any using this line of the code, because we use it over here in the view imports, and this line of the code is available for all of these files inside the views folder. Now let's check it. Come over here, and as you see, I have the customers, and if I click on it, I have the customers here. I added the customers to the header or to the layout section, so it is available for all of the sub pages. For instance, if I select this and delete that, this is the index page, and also if I come over here and the about, so it is available over here. It means we can add other menus over here from the beginning up to the end. Now let's come over here, stop this, and get inside the layout. As I mentioned previously, everything you have in the layout is available for all of other views. So let's come over here and this one. And the next one is the about, for instance. So come over here and name it the about. Also, it is the customers, and let's select the home and the about. Where are you? This is the about. So the action name, I need this action name. And paste over here the same controller, the home and the about. And also I can add the next one over here easily and quickly. So the next one, if I take a look, is the index, or we can call it the home. So let's name it the home or the home page, and it should be the index. So the home controller and the index, I need exactly this name, and paste over here the home, the action is the index. Now let's save everything, and if I run, I can see the amazing and great result. So it's done, and I have the customers, the about and the home. This is the home, then the about and the customers. So it looks amazing and great. Exactly, this is something like the professional websites, because we have the links in the header or the layout. So I can easily get inside the customers, I'm the customer, the about, and also the home. So it's really simple and straightforward. Congratulations, we did it. Now we learned how to start working with the view imports to add the tag helpers inside it, and also we learned how to add the links by the tag helpers to the layout to create the menu. In addition, if I take a look in the Microsoft website, so this is the Microsoft website, and as you see over here, I have the same links at the top, and we have the same structure over here, the same links over here, and these links are common between the different web pages. And if you want something like this, you can get inside, for instance, the surface. Then all of the menus are common between the different web pages. Previously we talked about this, and I can easily get inside the computers, and I can get access all of this, for instance, the Surface Pro 8, and I have the same links or the menus at the top. And we have something like that over here in our project. Okay, I enjoyed it a lot. Now we learned many great and amazing tips and tricks for creating the website. Currently, I don't want to talk about how to customize the appearance of this tag or all the matters. Indeed, I want to talk about the structure and the overall structure of the project. It means after learning the overall structure, you can easily create your custom website and the appearance. Okay, excellent. I enjoyed a lot. Now start and go ahead and start working with the view imports and add it to your project and complete it based on this tutorial, and save it with my amazing upcoming tutorial. Thanks for your time.